Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a businessman you admire, please.
Well, I would like to share the story about the person I admire most. Basically, he's my father. I admire him most because I know him since my childhood. And secondly, we live at the same place, under the same roof. We have a good connection. And also, the kind of business he does is like he's an industrialist. Moreover, he works in steel products, and thirdly, he works in cotton stuff. Uh, so all these things admires me most. The way he done his hard work, he's really passionate, and he is really you can say. He's a very hardworking man, and also he always kept balance between family and the work and stuff like that. Things like that makes me feel really admired.
All right, 1 minute, 1 second. Things like that make me feel
Feel
admired, not makes me feel.
okay.
Overall, it is good and you spoke well, but I would like you to speak more
Okay.
because you are on the borderline, just 1 minute. If it is less than a minute, you'll be penalized for that.
Okay.
Next, we had grammatical mistakes. You said, I know him since my childhood. I have known him since my childhood. And then you said, things admires me. It should have been things admire me. Then you said he done. It should have been he has done.
He has done. Okay.
Right? So these type of grammatical mistakes are very frequent. You need to work on that.
Okay.
Now, we move on to speaking part 3. What do you think should be the retirement age for men and women?
In my point of view, the retirement age for the women should be nearly 40, and for the men, it should be nearly 50 or 56.
Okay, because give reasons for your answer.
Because if we will see by the scientifically, the men have more power, and the age gap. Like we can say, the men can do more hard work as compared to the women in 50s or 40s.
All right. So you need to come up with logical reasons. By the time your answer goes irrelevant, examiner will immediately ask you the next question. They will not even allow you to give any irrelevant answer. So if they interrupt you again and again, it means you are giving irrelevant answers. Okay? Thank you.